Hey guys, welcome back to the Modest Wallet, where we try to help you grow your money the smart way. Today we're diving deep into a premium tool that's been getting a lot of attention in the investment community. It's called InvestingPro by investing.com. We have reviewed this product before, but we wanted to do a quick little update on it. Is it a true Bloomberg terminal for retail investors or just another fancy dashboard with a price tag? Stick around because this is our full review of InvestingPro in 2025. InvestingPro is a premium subscription platform created by investing.com that we mentioned that brings together deep financial data, real-time market analysis, stock screeners, and fundamental tools designed for serious retail investors and even professionals. Think of it as a more affordable alternative to institutional tools like Morningstar Premium or Bloomberg, but built with the user-friendliness you'd expect from a consumer-first platform. It is geared towards those who want to dig into company fundamentals, screen undervalued stocks, and make smarter long-term investment decisions. So when you subscribe to InvestingPro, here's what you get access to. Number one, you get the stock screener with fundamental filters. Sort through thousands of global stocks based on metrics like PE, Petrosky score, fair value, and much more. Secondly, you get pro tips and fair value estimates. Proprietary models give you a snapshot of whether a stock is undervalued or overvalued based on various valuation methods. Third is the financial health score. It's a quick glance rating that analyzes a company's balance sheet, strength, profitability, cash flow, and much more. Fourth, you get a custom watch list with real-time data. You are able to build multiple watch lists and get real-time financial data and alerts. Fifth, you have institutional grade data, including 10 years of financials, earnings projections, dividend history, and insider transactions. So how does InvestingPro separate itself from competitors like Morningstar, Simply Wall Street, or even Motley Fool? First, it's the data depth and speed. Most platforms either go deep or go fast. InvestingPro does both. Real-time updates and 10 years of financials at your fingertips. Second, there's the powerful screener. Few platforms allow this level of granular filtering for both US and international equities. Third is the value investor focus. Its strength is clearly aimed at long-term, fundamentals-first investors, not momentum traders. Fourth is the all-in-one feel. You're getting stock screeners, valuation tools, news, earnings calendars, and portfolio tracking in one platform without switching tabs all day. As of 2025, InvestingPro is priced at $299 a year, or roughly $25 a month. That gets you full access to the premium dashboard and real-time metrics, unlimited stock screeners, and financial tools. But here is the good news. They often run 50 to 60% off promotions, especially for first-time users. So at the time of this video, you can find it as low as $119 a year, which makes it a seriously compelling deal for the feature set. I will leave a link in the description and in the comments. If you want to just check it out, that link will give you the lowest price available right now.
Having just talked about how much it costs, I did want to just real briefly go over the specifics more on that. As I was going on the website, I wanted you to get a nice view of what that looks like. And so the version that I'm going to be showing you, and we've been talking about primarily today, is this Pro version that you see over here. So as you can see, there's a summer sale. We'll have a link with the best deal possible, but there's the yearly is 45% off. If you do 2 years, obviously you get 50%, but you're going to be paying $9.34 per month. Just wanted you to kind of see that directly on their website. And what do you get out of that? You get the key benefits of Pro, including those 17 Pro picks, AI stock strategies, 50 Warren AI chat credits, which I will show you here in a second, 35 popular predefined stock screens, 100 popular metrics for stocks, and it is 100% ad-free. You get the fair value estimate for any stock, advanced watch list, stock data for US and 70 plus other markets, 50 Pro Research PDF stock reports per month, exclusive market moving Pro News, instant stock insights with Pro tips, financial health score for any company. So who is this best for? Investors who want curated insights and AI-powered stock ideas without hours of research. Now, you can see a pretty drastic price difference here between the Pro and the Pro Plus. I really don't think this is really necessary for most people, even though they're trying to sell you as popular. I think that this is where you're going to want to be if you do choose to do this service, because you're getting pretty much everything you really need, in my opinion. But I will just show that on the screen. You can kind of see what the added bonuses are for it. Obviously, you get a couple extras here per month, but I don't anticipate anyone using this more than 50 times a month and that type of thing. So yeah, I really think that this is kind of where you're going to want to be if you are interested in this. All right, so yeah, I'm back in the main part of Investing Pro. So we do have a subscription, and so I am just kind of going to give you a brief overview. One thing I've always said about this platform is that I do think it is very simple. There's not a whole lot of complexity to it, which I like. Some people there's options for it to be a little more complex, but it's pretty, simplistic here on the left side. So we're watch lists. If you're familiar with any type of platforms like this, most of them do have stock watch lists. And so I just plugged in a couple that you can see: Apple, Google, Microsoft, Tesla, and you can kind of just take a look at the different stats going over from left to right: price, price target, fair value label. There's just a ton of stuff. I'll keep going over: dividend per share, dividend yield, P ratio, just to name a few. But there's a lot of things that you can see just on one window, which is always nice, and you can plug in any stock you would like. Then if you go down to ideas, this is the next section, and you can mess with these filters if you want to just look at stocks that are 50%, have been up 50% in the last month. Then you're going to limit it there. And I say stocks. What I meant to say was portfolios. So if you can look, you see Warren Buffett's holdings. I'll just go down. Bill Gates. There's a ton of stuff down here. Ray Dalio, a bunch of prolific investors that you can see, and you can look at their portfolios. Let's just look at the Warren Buffett. I'll click on it, and then it's just going to give you a nice in-depth look at what his portfolio looks like compared to the SPY. Definitely, and nice to see. You can see how it definitely follows a lot of what the SPY does, but definitely nice to see. You can look at what it's comprised of. Lots of stuff. You go crazy looking at every little thing they can do. ProPicks AI. So these are the top performing investment strategies curated to help you achieve your investment goals, and they are powered by their proven pro AI models. As you can see, the current stocks and tech titans. I don't want to give away too much information, but this is an area where you're going to be able to see those pro picks used, created by AI, obviously, and you can kind of play around with that a little bit. Next is the stock screener. Pretty much like any other stock screener out there, you can set the filters how you'd like them to be so that you can, choose stocks within a, so maybe a certain dividend yield or whatever you're looking for. Maybe within a certain sector, you can kind of set it to that. There's a variety of things that you can do with it, but I'm not going to go, super detailed and all this. Let's say financials, and it's going to limit that list to only financial stocks or ETFs, that type of thing. Then we go to the Data Explorer. This is just going to give you some solid information on any stock or ETF that you are interested in. So you can kind of see, and you can search, obviously, whatever stock you want to look up. So it's another resource for you. Charts are going to allow you can filter it out to create these charts and look at the revenues and compare one stock to another. Definitely a nice feature if people like to mess with that. And then one of the things that's definitely different from our review we did in 2024, I don't think we talked about this. I'm not even sure if this was around or not. But so in this area, this is something you can see I've used one credit. You get 500 credits with this per month. And so you can ask it a lot of different questions. It's very powerful. But maybe you're looking for a certain stock in a certain sector that is small, no one's heard of. So let's just do it. I played around with this the other day. But if I was interested, I could say, what is a good stock to invest in that is related to AI and is relatively unheard of by most investors and has potential to skyrocket in the next 12 months? So we hit return, we send it out to the AI. Let's just see what happens. So it's going to spit out, their choice was Radcom. Stands out with an eye-popping 128% EPS growth forecast and a strong AI-linked software niche. Yet it trades at just a $220 million market cap, keeping it well below most investors' radar. That's a rare combination. So why Radcom? It's business AI-driven analytics for telecom networks means it rides the AI wave without the hype or the nosebleed multiples of big-name competitors. And so it's just going to kind of show you how it compares to other companies in the same field. And then it's going to allow you to do your own research on it as well. I had never heard of this, so you could definitely play around with this and probably find a lot of interesting picks or things to consider that maybe would be a lot more difficult if you didn't have this really amazing AI to help you with your investing. Let's get back to the pros and cons with the platform.
All right, let's break it down, the good and the not so good of InvestingPro. So first, the pros: it's deep, accurate financial data going back 10 years. Second, the smart fair value models and risk analysis. Third, it's excellent for value and dividend investors. Fourth, the global stock coverage, not just the US. Fifth, the customizable and modern UI with fast performance. And finally, frequent sales and discounts for new users. When it comes to the cons, the not so good things, it lacks personalized stock recommendations like Motley Fool does. The interface can feel overwhelming for beginners. There's no mobile app as of 2025. Desktop-focused experience is what you get. There's no direct integration with brokerages. You manage your portfolio separately. And finally, limited crypto and ETF tools compared to some other competitors. InvestingPro isn't for everyone, but if you fall into one of these camps, you'll love it. So maybe you're a DIY investor who likes to analyze stocks before buying, you'll love it. Or maybe you care about fundamentals and want more than just surface level insights, you'll love it. Maybe you invest globally and want to screen for opportunities outside of the US, you'll love it. Or finally, you're tired of flipping between Yahoo Finance, Morningstar, and spreadsheets, then it's for you, you'll love it. However, if you're a total beginner or want hand-holding on stock picks, you might find platforms like Motley Fool or Zacks more accessible out of the gate. So what's the Modest Wallet's verdict on InvestingPro in 2025? We think it's one of the most underrated tools for long-term investors out there. It doesn't promise the moon, it doesn't give you daily buy-sell hype, but it delivers powerful institutional-grade data at a price that won't crush your wallet. The learning curve is there, but if you stick with it, you'll be investing smarter with way more confidence. And at under $150 a year during promos, it's a steal for the value it brings, especially if you invest more than $5,000 in the market. That's our full breakdown of InvestingPro. If you want to check it out yourself, there's a link in the description that you may go to get the best promo pricing. Let us know, have you tried InvestingPro or other research platforms? We'd love to hear what tools you use in the comments, so make sure you let us know. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for more honest takes from the Modest Wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, invest wisely, live modestly. I'll see you in the next video.